Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering billing errors on Google Play, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve payment issues and complete your purchases successfully. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Step 3. Choose payment methods to view and manage all your saved payment options, including credit cards and other payment methods. Step 4. Check if your payment method is still valid and hasn't expired. Remove and re-add your payment method if necessary. Step 5. Clear the Google Play Store cache by going to your device settings, then Apps, finding Google Play Store, and selecting Clear Cache. Step 6. If the issue persists, remove your Google account from the device and add it back. Go to Settings, Accounts, select your Google account, and tap Remove Account. Step 7. Restart your device and sign back into your Google account through Settings. Step 8. Try making your purchase again. If you still experience errors, contact Google Play Support for further assistance with specific error codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.